if you ask questions, same question at so many times, they are not going to hesitate. They are giving in clear manner where they are explaining in clear way. So there is no problem with that.
All right. Hi, Mr. Rajmohan. We welcome you to Intellipath. Thanks for taking your time from your busy schedule to give us this valuable feedback. Please go ahead and introduce yourself. You can also let us know where you're from and what is your background.
Yeah, I'm Sura Rajmohan. I did my master's in geoinformatics. So searching so much of content, I gone through so many edtech companies. Finally, I found that Intellipath is providing some quality education within the budget limits.
True, great. Right. So why data analytics of all the other courses? Why that particular domain?
Yeah, actually, day by day throughout the world, data is increasing. So the entire world needs some data, some quality data engineers. So I thought, even though in my masters also we are handling some spatial data. So to know the data, to handle the data, we have to specialize it in some data analytics parts. So the world needs some data engineering. So I decided to go through this course.
How the training has been for you? Because you've already been a part of our live session so far. You've upfront seen how the experience is with respect to the mentorship that we provide. So how has it been for you?
Since it has been almost 11 months with Intellipath,
right.
There is nothing to say or wrong with Intellipath. They are well mannered, especially the mentors are very patient and they are very knowledgeable. They are coming from industries. So those who are those industry experts are their teaching is very nice. Throughout each and every point, they are clearly explaining. So there is no need to worry about the mentors. They are very patient and polite.
That's good. So usually the very first thing that learners would think about, since it is live sessions or online sessions, virtual sessions that we provide, whether we would get that one-to-one interaction with the trainers or not is the very first concern every learner would have. So how your one-to-one communication was with your mentor? Was it a successful mentorship where you get to ask questions and get the resolutions in the same session? Was it happening with you?
Yeah, actually there is nothing to hesitate to ask the mentors. Actually, they are directly asking if you have any doubts, please asking. For every 1 hour session, they are asking if you have any doubts, clearly ask. So there is no hesitation with the mentors. They are aware. As earlier we discussed about discussed like that, they are very patient and they are very polite. If you ask questions, same question so many times, they are not going to hesitate. They are giving in clear manner where they are explaining in clear way. So there is no problem with that online sessions.
Thank you for those kind words from your end. So you would have surely attended the assignment sessions and the project sessions as well. So were they useful for you? The main intention of them being provided to you is to give you that hands-on experience, the real-time experience of the technology. So did you receive that experience from our end?
Yeah, actually coming to the assignments projects, those assignments are very quality. The Intellipath designed those assignments in a quality manner. They are covering 360 degrees of the concept. So if we done the assignments, it's enough to get the knowledge. Especially while doing assignments, if you are getting any doubts, there is support team is there. So if you within 24 hours, we are getting reply from the support team. They are awesome. Really, their helps. They are very awesome. Actually, they are patients and they are giving within 24 hours. How many times we are asking? They are giving within 24 hours. They are giving their reply.
You seem to have experienced, a course and the services front end. So would you be referring any of your friends as well for the program?
Actually, I referred one of my friend named Anurag to the Azure course. He already joined. He is doing the course through the Intellipath.
That's good. That's really
definitely I will.
Encouraging for us to hear as well. And we are very glad to have you here today, and thank you so much again for your time and also the encouragement that you have shared with us. All the very best for your future.
Thank you very much.